In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add news to your Wix site. This is a great way to keep your audience engaged and informed with fresh content. So, let's dive right in and explore how to seamlessly integrate a news section into your website using Wix. First, you'll want to head over to your Wix editor or your dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Add Apps section or navigate directly to the Wix App Market. This is a treasure trove of features and tools that can enhance the functionality of your site. What you need here is the Wix blog. Simply search for it and then add it to your site. If your site's template already includes a blog feature, there might just be some minor adjustments needed, such as enabling or accessing it. Once you've integrated the Wix blog into your site, Wix automatically creates two main pages for you. The first is the blog feed page, which is where all of your posts will be showcased collectively. The second is the blog post page, where individual posts are displayed in more detail. These pages are key in structuring your site's news section effectively. Now, let's talk about customization. It's time to make your blog pages reflect the unique style of your website. Begin with the display settings. Decide what details you want visible in your blog feed. You can choose to display the author's name, publication date, and post categories, depending on your preference. It's important to tailor these settings to ensure they align with your brand's voice and make sense for your audience. Next, you have the option to pick a layout for the blog feed. Think about how you want your posts to be arranged. Wix offers a variety of styles, such as a list, grid, or magazine format, each offering a different visual experience. So explore these options and select a layout that best suits the aesthetic and usability of your website. Further personalization involves customizing the design aspects like fonts, colors, spacing, and image sizes. This allows your news section to seamlessly blend with the rest of your site, maintaining a coherent look and feel. You can get creative here, just make sure it enhances readability and aesthetics. Once the basics are set up, think about creating categories or tags. This is an efficient way to organize your news posts, grouping them by relevant topics, which makes navigation and content discovery smoother for your visitors. Finally, it's time to roll out your content. To add new posts, navigate through your dashboard and go to Blog, then Create New Post. This is where you write your content, add engaging images, set publication dates, and assign the appropriate categories. Remember, consistency is key, so plan your content schedule to keep delivering fresh news to your audience. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to establishing a dynamic news section on your Wix site. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing.